I don't agree with the statement that money breaks the relation, because that money thing depends on the person's nature, how that person is, what they think, and what if he only thinks about the money. So that all depend on the person's nature. That doesn't mean that money breaks the relation. That it depends on the family things. So, and if I want to say about that, money creates a relation. So I will also not say this, because sometimes it happen because of the money. People have that thing that they want money, so they break the relation. So that whole depend on the person's nature. And without the money we also cannot live, because without the money there are many financial conditions, and we cannot study further for the successful career. But that doesn't mean we should leave the studies. So yeah, we without the money we also cannot live. But yeah, without the money we also cannot live. But if we don't have money, that doesn't mean we should do anything bad or something that affect us. So yeah, basically everything is good in their own way. It just depends on ourselves, on our thoughts.
Good.
Money make our life easier, and it breaks the relationship both, because I have a lot of money, but I think I should not be greedy of it, and I should not waste it. I should help needy people who need money, and I should make I should fulfill my all wishes with it, like my needs, not my wants, and I would like to make my family happy with that money. And sometimes it happens, like in our school, it happens that a friend brings money daily, and one day, like for 1 week, he didn't bring, so the friend breaks the friendship. So that's the thing I thought about.
So I think that sometimes money breaks relationship, because in many family they fight for property and for money, and if they don't get equal money, so they break their relationship. But we should not fight. We should be happy the money we have, and we should not be greedy. But on the other hand, money is also necessary to buy our important things, to buy food, and to be successful in our life. So it has advantages and disadvantages both, but we should not be greedy, and we should use the money in the proper way.
Good.
I agree with the statement that money breaks the relationship. No doubt it is necessary for the survival and the luxury and live in society, but it also distribute our society in the two stratas. In lower and upper, who has money, they are very high class and upper, and who are struggling with the financial conditions, so they are very low. Nobody give them attention, and nowadays relationships are become selfish. They are only about money, and it is also become very it is also create many problems in the families. It create disputes, like everyone know that brothers fight for the properties and the money. So this is the situation because of money. That's it.
Is both important and
Not important.
because it breaks relationship also, and it is important if we buy something for our home or for something else, so we can also use money for it. And without money we also cannot live, because if we have money, so we can buy other things like AC, coolers and other items. And it also breaks relationships, like that if a rich person say that I have a lot of money, they tease them that I have a lot of money, I can buy anything. But poor person gets sad that I don't have money, I poor. So it breaks relationship also. So I think money is both important and not important for us.
Good.
I think that money can break relations, but it doesn't mean that being rich is a bad thing. But if someone is rich, so they should also donate to the poor person for their future, and they should also not show off that it can hurt other person's feelings. And yeah, that's
Break our relationships because some people becomes our friend just because of our money and just to use us, because and money has made everything, has divided everything, that now whenever some two family meets, they're talking about someone, they are not like yes our friend, they are just like now that one our friend who was poor, now he has become rich. Money has divided the generations apart, and not only money, other things has also divided it, but I won't speak about that.
Some people are so rich, so they do that. We have lot of money, so they don't talk to poor peoples, but they break the relationship. But when we have money, so some people, that's it.
They show off their cars, bike, and their home. In the time, they cannot. They cannot. Middle class boys, so they cannot achieve this when he do not work hard in their life properly. So you can change your app. Now you should use another app.
There are a lot of apps.
Sir, but the
Not just a
social
single
media
one.
did not give answer in Hindi if we ask question in
We can
Hindi.
ask.
Yeah.
We can ask to.
If
We
we
can
can answer Hindi question, so why do
You
we
can change the settings, you can ask in Hindi, it will give the answer.
We can change the language.
You say something
If we have English, so we can change Hindi.
into Hindi, yes,
If we ask the
question in Hindi, so it gives us the answer in Hindi.
in Hindi.
But
Yes.
not in a proper way, because I am a Hindi student, so I face this situation. Most of the content available in English, so that's why I am not agree with you.
I don't agree with you. Yes,
But
you say
I
something.
can also translate in the Hindi if we say.
Yeah, I agree with you. We can translate, but it cannot translate in a proper way. Sometimes it gives us wrong answer. Even though we know that the what's the actual meaning of that word, but it provides us a wrong meaning of that
But
word.
Jia Didi said it. Sometimes it gives us wrong. But most of the time,
Most of the time
it gives us correct.
Say 90 point about social media.
English based, so maybe it's
Okay, you say something about this
We can
against.
We can set in Gujarat.
Yes, against. Yes,
Social media also affects many children's eyes. What about that?
eyesight. Yes,
We should not use that too much.
Yeah,
We
it
can
just depends on ourselves. How are we using it? How
We can
how
watch
how
for
our time is spending on it.
It's 30 minutes. Not for 4 hours or 5 hours.
Some people has work on. Some people have a great screen time because it's their job, like software engineers.
Because it's their job, right? We can't do it because it's their job. They choose it, they have their passion, it's
It
we
is
can't
not
do anything else.
that their hobby to do.
That's their job,
They choose
that's their
it.
they are
profession.
losing. Say something.
They chose
Niharika.
They are passionate
Yep,
about
you're-
that.
Actually, it is also harm mental health of the students, and it addicts the students a lot. Because of that, students can't focus to their studies.
We should not be addicted. So I think
But that's not the point. Everyone got addicted.
you are
This is
talking
not. You can't say that we should use this time or that time. Everyone got addicted.
Gets addicted, na?
No one wants to do
You are
that,
Yes,
but it
no one
happens by
wants to
chance.
get addicted, but still they just watching and watching and watching. Nobody sees the screen time and the limited time that we should watch the phone and social media with this time.
Right now, it's the technology is like that. There are many. We can change the settings. If we want to use any app for like in a period like a 1 hour or 2 hour, so they are setting. It gives us notification that it's time to close the app.
But if
Now, if you can't
use
use
your
your
class
app,
on that time regularly, so what will you do?
and it also
Suppose that your class is running by one, so that time what will you do? You will left your class? What will you prefer?
no, your class is more important. You wasted your time on the social media, so that's why screen time has increased.
Some other students should also speak, please. All are sitting idle.
I
Huh.
think we should make a habit of that. We only have to watch for like 15 or 20 minutes. We should make a habit of
So
that.
how can we escape from
We
this?
can also pass the time by playing etc. and by
offline
going
games.
by
Offline games.
by doing
But
physical
But
activities.
you are in Boone. So how you can say that we should pass our time playing outdoor games? You should have to speak on the favor of the social media.
No,
right?
we are not saying
And
just
you are
it
right.
should depend on the social media. We should do physical activities also,
Yes.
because social media is not the whole thing to do.
But it becomes the whole thing for everyone, for the students, for the who did job in the AI or something, screen time. So it is become a habitual.
That's their job, because they have to do many